Hey there, Clare Maxwell here at Embodied Learning Systems. Today's video is a sharing of some insights from my teaching studio. I teach privately here in New York City, and I make a lot of discoveries when I'm working with my students. We learn together. So I wanted to just share these three prompts that I enjoyed working with this week to help you ease your neck and shoulders and your breathing and support the movement of your arms above the shoulder joint, which I won't even go into what the shoulder joint is. So I just want to share it. It's kind of light and fun and something you can play with. So the first prompt is to bring your awareness, your sensory awareness, to the back of your hands. Like if you can imagine them a little bit more like a seal flipper. And just see if you bring your mind to the back of your hands, how is that different? Does it feel different in your body? You could even just let your arms hang or move them a little bit, rest them, touch your legs. You could brush one hand with another. And just let your hands, the backs of your hands, lead you in a free, open kind of stretching. And part of what that does is it invites a fold at your wrist. And this brings about a certain release of really big back muscles. We get very tight at our wrists. So this gesture of folding and almost like swimming through the air with the back of your hand. So that's the first prompt. And that in itself, you can add to anything you do, like a yoga stretch, or even if you're lifting weights, just move your mind to the back of your hand and you'll find something different happens because it's just non-habitual. We're always mapping the palm. The second prompt is a place that rarely gets to let go and rest, and that is the inside of your humerus. So you can just rub this skin on the inside of your arm where your lower arm and your upper arm kind of come together. And if you touch these two bumps, you'll discover that this big bump on the inside is actually your upper arm bone. It's the humerus. So I call it the humerus point. And so this is a place also that gets kind of erased. We're often holding it out away from ourselves, and that uses a certain set of muscles. So see what it's like. You've got your back of your hand mapped. You can maybe rest your knuckles on your body or whatever, and just see if you can drop this part so that it starts to feel your side body. You could literally like slide it around a little bit on your ribs. We really rarely, or you could hug yourself and let it drop. We really rarely let this bone rest. This is a great place to, I hadn't even thought of this. So you have a little bit of sensation there with your humerus, what I call your humerus point. And so your movement exploration then is to put those two places together. So in any way that you like, it's kind of a lot. So you could just do one arm at a time. playing with how the back of the hand and the humerus point inside your skin, how those two parts move together, dance together, play together. There's a lot of movement possible in this humerus point. Different kinds of gestures you can make. So I'm just sticking with my right arm for a little bit. You can go down around your body. You can go up above your body, but you just never have to have this get stuck or fixed. And you can combine folding your wrist with gesturing with this point. So it gets to kind of come out from its hiding place. And then you can stop and rest and just chill. You can close your eyes. And wow, does that right hand, right arm, right body, side feel different? So might be a little different. We're really different side to side. So starting with this, I could move from the humerus point. You could even touch it and make a little dance with that touch, self-touch. And then feeding in the back of the hand. You know how kids play in the car with the hand outside the window? It's kind of like that, just like swimming around in space and letting the humerus point come out from its hiding place. And then just to finish, if you drop your weight down, you can use the support of the ground, drop your elbow points down to raise your flippers up, and then drop the humerus points down to bring your flippers down and rest them. Okay, so that was today's offering. This is a little bit of a taste of the kind of prompts I use in my dance class every Tuesday. And it's part of what I call mobile body alignment, which is based on these points that tap into different nerve plexi in your central nervous system. So I'll put a link at the end to a whole playlist of all my mobile body alignment points videos. I've been making them for a number of years. And enjoy, play around, stay mobile, take it easy out there. It's 2026. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Peace. I am also your sponsor. I started this YouTube channel almost 10 years ago to get high quality embodiment, movement, and somatics education out to the public, especially folks who might not otherwise have access because our work is not covered by health insurance here in the United States. So if you like this content, please share, please like, please subscribe. And if you'd like to go deeper into some of what I'm sharing here, you can book a free 15-minute consult or a private lesson online. I teach online and also in person in New York City. And you can find all that information at embodiedlearningsystems.com. Thank you so much for watching.